Windows 11, macOS, and Ubuntu Linux are three of the most popular desktop operating systems, and each of them have a special game that the other operating systems don't have. On Windows 11 you can find it pretty easily. You just have to go to the Start menu and there it is. Microsoft Solitaire. This is actually not just Solitaire, there's also many more games like Mahjong and Bubble. But the big problem with this games collection is that you can already see that this needs a Microsoft account. The second thing is that this has ads, which is pretty horrible. And there's microtransactions, and there's something called a premium subscription service which you have to pay for on a monthly basis. What is TriPeaks? I know the rules. I don't know the rules, by the way. How do you play it? I don't know. There's something called XP. Premium players earn this XP. Win or lose. Get premium. And by the way, this version is actually outdated. You have to manually update it through the Windows Store. Am I doing it right? No? Playing TriPeaks. Okay, the game knows I can't play, so it's giving me hints. Let's check out something else. Here you can already see a lot of problems. Almost half of the screen is just ads. Let's play Microsoft Gem Drop. So you just click on the blocks that are all together in one place. And if you die, then there's probably an ad you can watch, so you can respawn and continue playing. Play ad free. And you have to pay for it. So I wouldn't really play this game to waste my time. But next we have to move on to macOS. We can open up Finder, then go to Applications, and here you should have Chess. This one has been on macOS for many years, as far as I can remember. This game is actually pretty solid. So you're playing against a computer which also speaks.
E7 to E5.
It's three-dimensional chess, you can even move stuff around. I didn't know that. I guess let's move this guy here. We can enable hints, we can enable show last move, and let's move this. No, wait. Let's move it here. Age notation.
F8 to E7. Then takes C5.
Style marble. Okay. Computer thinks one move ahead. So you can make the computer smarter as well. It's weird that there's a lot of customization options in a chess game. I cannot do anything. So sometimes you just get stuck and it gives you like a... It looks like I'm losing. Okay, maybe not.
Queen D8 takes H4.
And he's probably gonna go something like that.
Queen H4.
Yes. So what options do I have?
Bishop C8 to G4. Checkmate.
Oh, and black wins. The computer beat me. The macOS pre-installed game is very good. Ubuntu Linux used to have games pre-installed, but they have gotten rid of them in the latest versions. I actually know how to get them back. What you basically have to do is open up the terminal. You just have to type sudo apt install GNOME games. And this should bring back the games that were removed from newer versions of Ubuntu. My system is kinda glitchy because I don't have GPU acceleration. I guess this effect looks cool. Setting up GNOME games. And it's done. So we have stuff like chess, 5 or more, 4 in a row. There's way too many games. So this is how the Ubuntu chess looks like. It's not as cool as the macOS one. What is this one? Kolotsky. It's like a puzzle game. I guess we have to get these cubes out of the way. So I just move these and just like that. I think I overdid it with the steps. Okay, and now we have gotten the big square out of the box. Congratulations, I won the game. Nibbles. What is nibbles? Welcome, worms. Eat the trees before the other worms. I'm the red snake. Not the snake, but worm. And okay, can I corner? I lost? So these were Ubuntu's games. Keep the party going by watching this video, and remember, if it bleeds, we can kill it.